Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of SQL Server interview question. So in this video, we're gonna solve a problem from Facebook. So the question is, return the share of monthly active users in the United States. Users are the one with an open status in the table. So the concept that are gonna be covered in this question is categorization, aggregation, and ratio. So categorization for as we need to categorize our data if our users are active or not. Then we have to perform aggregation to count the number of active users. And the third concept is ratio. So in order to find the share of the active user, we need to find ratio. So in which there will be one column that will be numerator and another one will be denominator. So here our first step will be explore the data and understand the data. And our second step will be to identify the number of columns required to answer this question. And after that, our last step is to code while visualizing our data. So here we got a simple table which is FB active user. So let's run this code to see the data. So here we have 4 columns: user ID, name, status, and country. Okay, so our first step will be to filter our country. As you can see in the question, we need to return the share of monthly active user in the United States only. Okay, and then our next step will be count number of user whose status is open in our status column. And finally, we will count the total number of users where status is open. So without doing any further delay, let's get started. So select. So for now, first we will filter our data. So select star from FB active users. Okay, and now we have to apply filter where country is USA. So where country equals USA. Okay, so we'll run this code real quick. Now we have got the filtered data. As you can see in our country column, we have data for USA only. Okay, and now our second step will be count number of users where status is open. So for that, what we will do, we will categorize our data. And to categorize our data, we will use case condition. So case when, when our status equals open, then we will return user ID. And when the status is not open, then it should return null. So else null, and then we will end our statement. Okay, so here we need the count of total user where status is open. So we will perform aggregation function. So count our user ID when status is open, then it will return user ID, else null. So we are only counting those user ID where our status is open. Okay, so we will close this and then we will give it a name. So as active users. So let's run this code first. Now we have got the total active user from our data. So let's move to the original data first, because now we have to count the total users where our country equals USA. So we are already applying that filter. Now what we will have to do here, we will count our user ID as total users. So let's check the output. So we have total user 6, and out of 6 total user we have 3 active users. So now in order to calculate share, we have 3 methods. Either we can wrap this code in a CTE. So with CTE as bracket open, then we will close our bracket, and now what we will select from the CTE, select active users and then we will divide it by total users. Okay, and then we will convert the data type to float. So cast as float. Okay, we'll close this, and then we will give it name as share from our CTE. Okay, so now we have total share 0.5 here. Okay, and our second method is, so we can just directly calculate in this code only. So we'll copy this, and instead of giving it as active users, what we can do here is we can cut this and we can divide it here only. Okay, as now we'll have to change this name, so it is our total share. And then we will convert our data type to float, cast as float. So let's run this code. So it is also giving us the same result. And the third method is by subquery. So we will paste it here. So first we will wrap this in a bracket in order to use it as a subquery. So we'll give it name A, and then we need to select only those columns which we need. So select, and then we need to choose our column. So select, we need active users divided by our total users as total share. And now we will convert the data type to float. So cast as float. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, then we need to use from here as well. So select active user divide by total user as total share from this subquery, and now we will run this code and we are getting same output. So either we can use CTE, or we can calculate the total share in the same query, or we can use subquery as well. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.